Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can receive money in BDT on Wise. So let's get started. First, open your Wise app and ensure it's updated to the latest version. On the main interface, tap the Request Money button located below your total balance. On the next screen, select Share a link to get paid. You will see your personal QR code, and you can tap Share to send this request directly to others. If you wish to receive money specifically in Bangladeshi Taka BDT, tap Add Amount below the Share button. A menu will appear where you can enter the desired amount, add an optional note, and most importantly, ensure the currency is set to BDT before proceeding. Once you have entered the details, tap Create a Request. On the final screen, you can either share the QR code or copy the payment link to send directly. Once the sender completes the payment, the funds will be credited to your Wise account in BDT. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.